You gotta move this way.
My little boy's driving.
Okay.
Hey, Mark.
Yeah.
Where's that guy?
Huh?
No.
What'd you do?
I got him watch.
Press the gas, Ben. Is it in drive or is it in reverse? Because I really don't want to back up.
Oh, put seatbelt on.
Oh.
Do you have to have your seatbelt on
Probably.
for it to drive? There you go. You screwed up your life. You're too close to the airbag. It's gonna break your nose, and you're gonna go through the windshield.
Down?
Oh wait.
Can I drive it next?
Hold on. Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Made it.
Watch out! Just tell Jessica to move. I want to hear this.
All right.
Now can I go?
Oh, what the?
Give it a look. Yeah, let's go.
Dude, if you do that again, if my phone drops, you're dead.
Oh!
Oh my God! I videotaped that.